The brand new corrupted items update just dropped in 99 Nights in the Forest, and right now there are some fresh working codes that are giving out free gems and other rewards you seriously don't want to miss. In this video, I am going to show you all the active codes for 99 Nights in the Forest in 2026, including a code that most players haven't even redeemed yet. Some of these can expire without warning, so it's a good idea to grab them while they're still working. And hey, if this video helps you out, feel free to drop a like. It really helps the channel and lets me know that you want more code videos like this. Alright, let's jump straight into the game and start redeeming these. First, I'm already inside 99 Nights in the Forest. To redeem codes, look down at the bottom left of your screen and find the gems icon. Click on that. Once you open it, you'll see all the gem purchase options, but that's not what we need. Instead, we look toward the bottom right corner. You should see a blue button labeled codes. Click on that and the code redemption window will pop up with the enter code box and the green submit button. Make sure the box says enter code and not merge code. Let's not waste any time. Here's the first working code and this one is active right now. You just have to type in corrupted tools. Once you type this in, make sure you're not checked in on the merge icon. Make sure you don't see any crosshair. Just uncheck this and make sure you type your code after this. Once you do this, go ahead and hit submit. And just like that, you should get your reward instantly. If it doesn't work, double check your spelling because even one wrong letter can cause it to fail. Starting with a working code like this is always nice because now you know you're in the right place. But don't relax yet. The next code is honestly even better depending on what rewards you're looking for. Alright, moving on, the next code you want to enter is After Party. Once you type that in, as you can see, I just got 15 gems. Before I had 0 gems and now I have 15 gems. Redeem it in the same way, type it carefully and press submit. If you're stacking gems, this is a solid one to grab early. Sometimes new servers register rewards faster. So if a code ever glitches, re-joining can help. Now before I show you the next one, a small trick in this update that a lot of players don't know about. And it can get you extra gems without even using the code box. Instead of entering this one in the code menu, you're going to use the in-game chat. Open chat while you're fishing and type "Yay fishing." Send it in the chat while holding a fishing rod and you should receive bonus gems. Yes, it's a bit hidden, which is why many players completely miss it. Definitely take advantage of that. Now keep watching because the upcoming code is one that newer players especially are going to love. Back to the codes menu. This next one is easy but valuable. Type New Nights. Redeem it. If it works for you, nice. You're building a pretty solid stash already. By the way, updates like the corrupted items patch usually bring waves of codes, so it's smart to check back often instead of waiting months. Now here's something interesting. There's a code coming up that players have been redeeming fast because of the rewards tied to progression. So if you're planning to grind the game, you'll want this. Go ahead and enter Forest Update. Once you type that in, hit submit and collect your reward. Simple. At this point, you've already redeemed multiple working codes, but we're not done yet. In fact, the next one is the code I teased earlier, the one most players overlook. Ready? You have to just type in hidden gems. Once you type that in, hit submit and the reward is yours. If this one is still active on your server, you should see a nice reward pop up. Codes like this usually don't stay active forever, so getting them early is always the move. Now quick reminder, when entering codes, always avoid extra spaces before or after the word. That tiny mistake is one of the biggest reasons players think a code is expired when it's actually not. Now, let's keep the momentum going. The next code is great. If you're trying to boost your early gameplay, enter Survive 99, redeem it, and there you go. If you've been entering these along with me, your inventory should already be looking better than it did a few minutes ago. Now here's a small pro tip. Whenever a major update drops, especially ones introducing new items, developers often release follow-up codes within days. So staying updated can literally mean free progress. So time for another one. Type Campfire, submit it, nice and easy. And honestly, rewards that support survival are always worth grabbing in a game like this. Now before the final code, let me tell you something most experienced players already know. Redeem codes as soon as you see them. Waiting is the fastest way to miss out. Let's finish strong. The final code for today is Lost Forest. Enter it and hit submit. And just like that, you're done. If you redeemed every code in this video, you just picked up a solid batch of free rewards without spending anything. Not bad for a few minutes, right? Make sure you check back soon because whenever new codes drop, I cover them fast so you don't fall behind. And if you don't want to miss future rewards, check out my latest code videos right after this. You might find even more waiting for you. And if you find some codes which are not working, so there's a chance that you're watching this video very late and the codes have stopped working. So yes, let's wrap it up for today's video, guys. These were all the new codes for 99 Nights in the Forest. And hopefully you liked all the codes and you earned very much from these codes. So yes, this is it for today's video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, and thanks for watching.